Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to clean the sensors of your ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv 5A1. So just take a normal microfiber and some isopropyl alcohol. Now spray isopropyl alcohol on your microfiber and just clean and just wipe the sensors. The first one is here in the front. Now the other one is in the back here. One is here on the left, and I don't think there's no on the right, but when we flip it, you can see here some micro sensors. So just clean them all, and that's it. Oh, it's heavy. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.